John, it's a nice cover. You look very good next to the guy with the red tie on. But you know what? Listen, you need content. You need to think things through. You need to stop monkeying around. You need to read the Bible, John. You need to read the monkey Bible. So, John, I challenge you to read the monkey Bible. I challenge you to think about questions such as how much human DNA do you need to get into heaven? I challenge you to a kind of book off on your show. You read a little bit, I'll read a little bit. You could make people laugh, and I could make people think.